chasing stars and I landed here. My soul hasn't been free yet. My soul spoke the other night and I listened. Been hiding for too long, it's time to glisten. Been fake playing like I ain't got it in me. Trying to humble myself cause I'm feeling friendly. You remember what you told me the other night? I contemplated on it, it wasn't right. Humility and love makes the world turn, but what I found in you only made my heart burn. Empty souls play hella roles on giving gems, and my diamonds are often tainted by the images of what I thought you were. You one of them, clout chasing ass motherfucking friends. Look, hold on to your peace, love. They only want one thing, love. Listen to your soul, love. Listen.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha Naomi, and here on this channel we focus on things such as beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So as you can tell, we are going to be installing these locks. After you put your heat protectant on and you blow dry your hair, you're gonna make sure your hair is completely dry before you begin your braids. And all I did was just braid my hair in very uneven parts. As you can see here just in a second, you'll see the parts I did. I did one big part in the back, two on the sides, kind of like right above my ear, and then one right up top. And so this is my parting. And yeah, after I did my braids, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I just installed the faux locks. So I'm gonna stick the crochet needle through my hair. I'm going to grab the actual crocheted hair, pull it through the braid, and then I'm going to take the little knot that's around the crochet needle, the crochet, and pull the braid through. It's very simple, very easy concept. If you don't get it at first, it's okay, because chances are you're working in the back at first anyways. So after you pull that braid through the crochet needle, you're just going to pull it through, make it nice and tight, and then you're going to slightly unravel the lock. And the reason why you'll unravel a lock is because you're going to stick the braid in between the lock. So once you unravel that lock just a little bit, you'll be able to put your crochet needle in through the bottom and up through the top, just to be able to pull down your braid through the lock. And then I do this thing where I just kind of go back and forth and tuck my hair inside of the lock. That's the whole thing with this, is tucking your hair inside of the lock. Once you get past that part and your hair is completely tucked, as you can see throughout the video, and then I'll add some clips at the end of how I styled my hair, it looks like, well, not it looks like, it is the fact that my hair is longer than where the lock ends. So on some of the locks, I just left my hair out, and it actually turned out to be really pretty. So like, I'll leave some of my hair on the ends out, put some mousse on the tips, as you can probably see right about now, and they just curl up and it's super pretty. You get like two different textures: the regular kind of wavy straight texture that came on the bottom of the lock, and then you get my natural curl pattern throughout. I would say about 3/4 down throughout the hair, you'll see just like another curly, and it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I've never seen anything like it. You've never seen anything like it. And that's the power of just like improvising. When things don't go your way, you're able to create something that probably no one else has created, because I really haven't seen, I've seen a couple of people with locks like these, but it's very rare, and I still don't think that they did it how I did mine. So I really love this hairstyle. This is one of my favorite hairstyles of all time. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, but I'll just let you guys finish watching me tuck this one little lock, and then I'll show you exactly on the other locks where I put the mousse and things of this nature. So enjoy.
Ain't since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone.
And if you play that back, you will understand what I'm really trying to say. Play a tug ties on your mental is my way. And if you down, then let's play. If you down, then let's play.